Today we're going to create a delicious dinner together. Are you ready? Hi and welcome to Rawking Power. Today we're going to create a delicious dinner together. You will love this recipe, especially if you're a runner. If you read the book Born to Run, then you know what will make you run faster. Am I right? It's sweet corn, baby. I noticed that I started running so much faster and I was thinking, why actually? I'm not sure it's true, but it might be the sweet corn because I eat sweet corn every day. So if you eat sweet corn, it will make you run faster. It will give you more energy. Give it a try and see whether it works. We need some sweet corn, arugula, leeks, beetroot, zucchinis, and lemons. Now let's get to work. Here's the end result. I'm going to eat it all up in a second. Wishing you a wonderful evening. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If yes, remember to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and make this recipe for dinner and let me know how it worked for you. Are you dealing with challenges which seem to be going from bad to worse on a regular basis? Or do you simply feel stuck and don't know how to leave the job you hate, the relationship you're tired of, or the habits that don't serve you? After going raw vegan in 2003 and turning my suicidal depression into a never-ending joy, I've been helping people not only to solve their everyday problems, but also to transform their life and create lasting change. Apply for a free strategy session right away by going to rawkingpower.com/coaching. Let's get busy removing your inner blocks and turning you into the best version of yourself. Are you ready to discover a new dimension of success, joy, and happiness? Take action now and start creating your own success story.